Let's start today's English grammar lecture. Vocabulary. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn an important topic in English grammar and English language, which is vocabulary. Many students ask, how can I improve my English? The answer is simple: improve your vocabulary. The more words you know, the better you can speak, write, read, and understand English. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary is the collection of words that a person knows, understands, and uses in a language. Definition. Vocabulary is the collection of words used in a language or known by a person. In simple words, vocabulary means all the words you know. For example, if you know words like happy, beautiful, intelligent, honest, careful, amazing, wonderful, and confident, these words are part of your vocabulary. Why is vocabulary important? 1. Vocabulary makes writing more effective. 2. Vocabulary helps us understand conversations easily. 3. Vocabulary helps us communicate clearly. 4. Vocabulary helps students get better marks in exams. 5. Vocabulary increases confidence while speaking English. 6. Vocabulary improves reading comprehension. 7. Vocabulary improves speaking skills. Types of vocabulary. There are 4 main types of vocabulary. 1. Listening vocabulary. These are the words you understand when you hear them. Example. When your teacher says, "Shut the door," you understand the words. These words are part of your listening vocabulary. 2. Speaking vocabulary. These are the words you use while speaking. Example. Good morning. How are you? 3. Reading vocabulary. These are the words you understand while reading books, novel, stories, or articles. Example. While reading a story, you understand words like agriculture, farm, village, and forest. 4. Writing vocabulary. These are the words you use while writing applications, letters, essays, or paragraphs. Example. Students use words like yet, therefore, then, however, so, because, although, and finally in writing. How to improve vocabulary. You should. 1. Read English books every day. 2. Learn 5 new words daily. 3. Read newspapers and magazines. 4. Listen to English podcasts and conversations. 5. Keep a vocabulary dictionary. 6. Use new words in your own sentences. 7. Watch English subtitles videos. 8. Practice speaking English every day. Examples of vocabulary words. Happy, feeling pleasure or joy. Beautiful, attractive. Brave, showing courage. Honest, always telling the truth. Intelligent, very smart. Careful, taking great attention. Friendly, kind and pleasant. Confident, believing in yourself. Generous, willing to help others. Successful, achieving goals. Example sentences. She is a very honest. Saad is an intelligent student. My teacher is polite. This flower is beautiful. Practice makes your English stronger. Sum up the lecture. Today we learned that vocabulary is the collection of words we know and use in a language. A strong vocabulary improves speaking, writing, reading, and listening skills. We also learned the 4 types of vocabulary and practical ways to improve it. Remember, learning a few new words every day can make a big difference in your English. Thank you for watching this lecture. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your vocabulary. See you in the next English grammar lecture.